Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can use the healing option on the Adobe Photoshop app, or how you can use the healing brush tool on the Adobe Photoshop app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the app of the Photoshop. Let's click on this, and after going to the app, as you can see, we have to choose the photo. I'm going to click on this photo editor or retouch. Now we have to choose the image, that which image we want to use. For example, I'm going to choose this random one here, and after that what we have to do, as you can see, now these all options are provided here. We have to go to the, if you want to change the colors, I'm going to look section, and as you can see, BNW, whatever you want, I'm going to choose this one here, and let's go to the heal option. Now we have to click on the brush option, and now we have to choose the area where you want to apply the heal. As you can see, I'm going to click on this here. As you can see, now it will work like this. If you want to hide it, it's up to you how you can apply this. You have to apply these brush wherever you want. If you want to do here, you can also do that. So in this way you can apply this brush or the heal option in the Adobe Photoshop app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.